Guys, Mr. Crab a pre-violence, bro. A war. Mr. Crab a defending formula. Let's get right into it.
Jabby Beats exclusive.
You will just
Yeah,
say
hear me?
that.
One more.
One more.
Plant in the car, get my formula. What the fuck you want me for? Me number one fun girl, come for your ass picture. Dog a lost and last digger. Poverty where you born in a pussy, get my cross in a. Step on the roach. Fully rich, you see me step in on my coach. Yes, come bucket business slow. Your wife is a machine dog, that a big joke. From the started, talking done.
Yeah.
Planting underground.
Yeah.
Would I take a girl, but me no fuck computer because me no blood clot dunce. One him batty boy planting a copper shot, clot him another one. Brass him all Patrick Starry, but pussy from man. The Uzi man draft, no jamming at the war for the war. Me a rasking. Buck him of a poke more mal and box him brawling. God. Anyway, me see him pussy. And him a chat the most, you know. Fucking roach, you know. Yeah, yo, cross the camp. Squiddy, gunba, brawling.
Hot tool. Why get hot now? Yo, bro, me know Planting not going to take that disrespect from Mr. Crab, bro. Bro, I'm already on Planting side, bro, God. You understand? No joke, bro, God. Part 2, Maniac. I'm out.